Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update all your drivers in Windows 11 the right way, step by step. Whether your PC is running slow, your audio isn't working, or your graphics are glitching, updating your drivers can fix all that. So let's jump right in. Here we are on my Windows 11 desktop. The first and easiest way to update your drivers is through Windows Update. Click on the Start menu and type Settings, then open it. On the left-hand side, scroll all the way down and click on Windows Update. Now hit Check for Updates. Windows will automatically search for any available system or driver updates. If you see updates listed, go ahead and click Download and Install, then restart your computer when it's done. This ensures that your system and all compatible drivers are up to date with Microsoft's latest versions. Now, if you want to update drivers individually, you can use the Device Manager. Click on the Start menu again, type Device Manager, and open it. Here you'll see a list of all your hardware, like Bluetooth, sound, display, and network adapters. To update any specific driver, just click the small arrow next to a category, find the device you want, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check online and install the newest version if one's available. If it says the best drivers are already installed, that means you're up to date for that device. If you recently plugged in new hardware and don't see it listed, click the Scan for Hardware Changes icon at the top. This forces Windows to detect any newly connected devices and their drivers. Now, for those of you with a dedicated graphics card, like NVIDIA or AMD, you'll want to use their official software. For NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience app. For AMD, use the Radeon software. Inside either app, you'll find a Drivers tab. Click that, and you can easily check for and install the latest graphics updates. This keeps your games and creative apps running smoothly with the newest performance and stability fixes. And that's it. That's how to update all drivers on Windows 11 quickly and safely. Keeping your drivers current not only improves performance, but also helps prevent crashes and hardware issues down the line. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows tips and tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.